The Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 4X Mercedes-AMG represents the union of elite running innovation and motorsport precision. Featuring ENERGYRODS 2.0 carbon technology paired with Lightstrike Pro midsole foam, it provides exceptional propulsion, energy return, and responsiveness. Its lightweight mesh upper enhances breathability and lockdown support, while the AMG-inspired colorway mirrors the sleek spirit of the racetrack. Designed with endurance, efficiency, and aerodynamic detail, this limited edition release stands out as more than footwear. It's a statement of speed and resilience. Whether athletes are chasing personal marathon records or enthusiasts are seeking style with performance, the Adios Pro 4 reflects both racing DNA and running excellence. By merging performance engineering with bold design, Adidas and Mercedes-AMG created a shoe that redefines limits and captures the essence of speed for champions and everyday runners alike.